Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rufasi Alos, 25 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am a Roman Catholic. I have two kids, a 7 years old boy and a 2 years old girl.
Okay. So do you have an experience working abroad?
None.
How about here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have.
Okay, for how long?
4 years for my first employer
Okay.
is doing cleaning house and taking care of the baby. For my
Okay.
second employer is cleaning the house.
Okay, on your first employer, aside from doing household chores and household works, so how do you take care of the baby of your employer?
Um, Give feeding.
Okay.
After feeding, give birthing to the baby,
Okay.
change his clothes,
Mhm.
change his diaper, and before he sleep, I give him sing a song.
Okay, so you sing a song before going to sleep. Okay. So for your second employer, you have mentioned that your duties are doing household chores. So is employer and your second employer have a children?
Nothing.
Okay.
Sir.
So suppose your employer in Hong Kong, for example, have a children and they go to school. Are you willing to send and fetch the children of your employer to the school?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. Are you willing to help them to do their assignments?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. So what if your employer in Hong Kong requests you to work on your day off with extra pay? Are you willing to work?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I, wa- I want to help my family financially and I want to save for the education of my two kids.
Okay. So who will take care of them when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband.
Okay. So any message for your prospect employer, suppose they are watching you right now?
Sir, ma'am, I promise to be obedient, honest, and hardworking, and I promise to follow your rules and regulation, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.